Are you looking for the French fries? Go tell Mommy how many minutes are left. Are we feeding the whole army? Come tell me how many minutes are left. What's the number? How many minutes?
5.
No, how many minutes?
5. 4.
3 minutes. Good job. 3 more minutes. Do they smell delicious?
1.
They're almost done. 3 minutes.
You're almost done.
Good boy.
Goodbye.
Yeah, good boy, Jacob. How many plates do we got here? How many people are eating lunch?
No.
No? Hey, Jake. Do this.
Do this.
Touch your nose.
Touch your nose.
Where's your ears?
This ear.
No, your ears are here.
This is ear.
There they are. Stand on one foot.
Waffle.
Good talking. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Spank you later. Hey, Jacob, look at Mommy. Say bazinga.
Say it's the bingo. Yay!
Yeah. How many minutes now? Look. It's like, whatever. I don't want to talk to you anymore.